We've added a secret ingredient to our banana bread that takes it to another level. Use bananas that are overripe because they're sweeter and will make the bread more moist. We used 6 large bananas. It's just fine if there are bruises. Don't worry about it. Mash them up well. If you don't have a masher, you can use a fork. It just takes longer. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you don't have vanilla, you can skip it. In another bowl, add a half cup of cubed softened butter and 1/3 cup of sugar. Wait, stop! You don't need any sugar. You get plenty of sweetness from the bananas and the chocolate. This bread tastes better without sugar. Cream the butter for about a minute. We crack the eggs into a little dish first. That way we can easily remove any fallen pieces of shell. Add 1 egg at a time and whisk to combine both times. We're not really sure why, but just do it that way. Now pour in the mashed bananas and mix. Now for the dry ingredients. Add all-purpose flour to a medium-sized bowl. Add salt, baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. The cinnamon adds a little zip. Add half of the flour mixture to the banana mix. Mix until just combined, then add the other half. Once again, mix until just combined. Add semi-sweet chocolate chips, reserving some for the top of the bread. Now for the mystery ingredient. 100% unsweetened chocolate. Chop a half cup of the chocolate. This dark chocolate adds a lot of flavor. Plus, it's healthy. Don't worry about the strong taste. When it's blended in with the bananas and semi-sweet chips, it won't taste bitter. Add the chocolate to the mixture, then gently fold in. If you're finding this video helpful, please give us a like and click on the bell so you'll know when we post new videos. Grease a bread pan with butter, then pour in the mixture. Sprinkle over the remaining chocolate chips. This will make it prettier. If you end up with extra batter, you can make some muffins. Bonus! Bake for about an hour and 10 minutes. Take out the bread and test with a toothpick or knife. If it comes out clean, the bread is ready. If not, bake for another 5 minutes, then check again. You can also measure the temperature. If it's over 93 degrees Celsius, it's ready. Let the bread rest for at least 40 minutes. See how tempting it looks topped with chocolate chips? Remove the bread from the pan. We never need to refrigerate our banana bread because we always finish it within a few days. This bread is so moist and it doesn't lack for sweetness at all. It tastes simply amazing. If you like this video, we think you'll love this one too.